Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in with your Wondershare ID and update the program. If you're running the trial version of Wondershare UniConverter, you'll have quite a few limitations that limit how much you can convert and what types of things you can convert. But if you want to enjoy the full features without any limitations, all you have to do is click on the See Pricing button, and then you can purchase an account of whatever type of plan you would like using PayPal or a credit card. And this will fully unlock all capabilities for you, letting you be able to convert and download entire lengths of videos and make sure that all of the high-speed conversions and other cool options are available to you. And once you've created an account after purchasing it, you can click on the account button here and log into your account. Once we've inputted our password, we can put in login and register, and then it will take us to let us know we've successfully validated our program, and now we have access to the full features inside of it. Your Wondershare ID is going to be what holds all of your accounts and registration information for any Wondershare program. If you purchased UniConverter after December 9th, 2019, your purchased email address is your Wondershare ID. If you purchased it before December 9th, 2019, then you have an old license email and registration code. You can use either of these logins if you purchase the program before or after, but it is advised to upgrade your license email to be a Wondershare ID. And this new ID is just going to give you more access to your account and let you do things like change your password, view order details, and manage your devices. If you ever want to change your account settings, you can simply go back into the account options, and you can either view your account, change your password, or log out and use a different account. It should also be noted that your account has a certain number of licenses built in. You can only use the license for so many computers, and then you'll need to upgrade. If you ever reach some sort of usage limit where you've used too many devices for your Wondershare UniConverter account, you can simply click on disable an old device so you can now use this device, or you can upgrade your entire account to support more devices altogether. And of course, if you don't have a Wondershare ID account, you can go and create one. If you're not logged in here, you can just click on do not have an account, create one here. And then inside of the application itself, we can enter our email address and our password that we would like to use. And then this will then become our new account. So once you hit sign up, it's going to then set up your account. And as you can see, it will begin with the trial version, but what you can now do is simply go and purchase whatever type of account you would like to have full access. Taking a quick look at the account center, we can have full access to our Wondershare account. This includes like our email, our account name that's displayed, the country or region we're from, and we'll also display all of the Wondershare products that we currently have. You can also view your plan and products individually down here and organize them. You can view your order history to see all of the products you've purchased over time. You can also adjust your profile, update it with an avatar image, update any information you would like, as well as connect your socials. If you want, you can also change your password in this section. You can also redeem or register a serial number to activate an application. And finally, there's a team management section if you have teams applied. The last thing to mention is if we go to the options here, we can also check for updates for the program, which will check if any updates are required, and if so, we can quickly download them and get the app with the newest features and newest bug fixes. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. That's how to log in with your Wondershare ID, a bit about your account, and how to update the program.